Make a great choice today with
The 2021 Arteon. The Volkswagen Arteon offers plenty of convenience and functionality by utilizing 4 doors and a hatchback. A comfortable ride, plenty of high-quality finishes, and the overall utility of this vehicle makes it one you want to take a look at. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, rain sensing wipers, fog lamps, FWD. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.